Understanding the in and not operators. Greetings Python learners. Today, we're unraveling the mysteries of the in and not operators and how they empower us in Python. Let's start with the in operator. It's a powerful tool for checking if a value exists within a sequence. Here, we're checking if the value 3 exists in our list. Let's see the result. As expected, since 3 is indeed present in our list. Now, let's explore its counterpart, the not operator. It's used to negate a condition. In this example, we're checking if 6 is not present in our list. And the moment of truth. Indeed, 6 is not found in our list. To sum it up, the in operator allows us to check for the presence of a value within a sequence, while the not operator negates a condition. Together, they provide powerful tools for conditional checks in Python. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you've gained a deeper understanding of the in and not operators in Python.